Hi kids, today we are going to learn about sizes. Okay, pay attention over here and listen carefully. Today we are going to learn about sizes. Now, sizes means what? There are many types of sizes like big, small, tall, short, long, short. Okay, so today we are going to learn about big and small. B I G, big. Repeat after me. B I G, big. And S M A double L, small. Again. B I G, big. Say again. B I G, big. B I G, big. Okay. And then next S M A double L, small. S M A double L, small. Now today students, I am going to show you some object. Okay, big and small. Now what do you mean by big? Big means bada and small means chota. Big means bada, small means chota. Now I have few objects to show you which are different which have different sizes. Now first I have this ball. So this ball is big in size than this ball. Do you understand? See the difference? Big. Big means बड़ा. तो ये बॉल से बड़ा है ना? Big. This yellow ball is bigger than this orange ball. Can you see the difference? Big ball, small ball. Big ball, small ball. Big मतलब बड़ा, small मतलब छोटा. Okay? Next, I have this eraser and this eraser. Now tell me which one is bigger? Big in size? Yes, this eraser is big and this eraser is small in size. Big eraser, small eraser. Big eraser, small eraser. Next I have these scissors. But which is bigger here? Yes, this is bigger. So I will keep this scissor here and this one here. Correct students, very good. So this orange scissor is bigger than this green scissor. Right? Big scissor, small scissor. Big, small. Now there are many animals which are bigger in size. So tell me which land animal is big animal? Think. Socho. It's elephant. Correct? Elephant is big animal. Big. See how big animal is it. And small animal is mouse. Small mouse. Big elephant. See here, B-I-G, big. small mouse. S-M-A-L-L, small. Okay? Now I'm going to show you some vegetables which are big and small. Now here there are some vegetables. Big and small. B-I-G, big. S-M-A-L-L, small. Now circle the bigger vegetable. Okay, first see which vegetables are these. Cabbage, brinjal. What is this? Beetroot, onion and pumpkin. Okay, so we have to circle the bigger vegetable. Now there are 2 cabbage. Now what we are going to do? We have to circle the bigger vegetable. So in these 2 cabbage, which one is bigger? Bigger means bada. Yes, this is bigger in size than this cabbage. So circle the bigger one. Okay, clear? Then brinjal, 2 brinjals are there. So which one is the bigger one? Yes, this brinjal is bigger. So circle this brinjal. Next we have beetroot. Which is the bigger one, students? Yes, this beetroot is bigger than inside. So circle it. Then we have 2 onions. So which is the bigger one? Yes, this is the bigger one. Circle it. Then we have pumpkins, 2 pumpkins. And this is the bigger pumpkin in size, right? Understood? Now students, we have circled the bigger vegetables. Okay. Now we have another worksheet. Here what we have to do? Circle the one that is bigger and color the one that is smaller in each set. Do you like to color now? Yes. So now what we are going to do? Circle the bigger object and color the smaller one. Now you know what is big and small. Correct? So let us see in these 2 apples who is bigger? Which apple is bigger in size? Tell me which is bigger. Which apple is bigger in size, students? Yes, this apple is bigger and this is smaller. So circle the one that is bigger. This is bigger, so we will circle this apple. Good. And then we are going to color this one. So you can use any color. If you have red color, so you will use that one. Right? So now I will color this apple. I don't have crayon, so I will color it by pen, red pen, but you use only crayon, okay? Because you are very small kids, so you should use only crayons while coloring, right? Good. And you always listen to your parents and your teachers. Very good. Don't tell your mama that, Mama, I also want to use pen while coloring. No. You use only crayons because it is easy to you to color. So, only use crayons. Any color you will use. Okay? Now, in these two balls, which is the bigger ball? This one. So circle this ball and color this smaller one, right? So color this ball because it's smaller. What is the question here? Circle the big one and color the smaller one. Done. So next we have chocolate candies. Yes. So which is the smaller chocolate here? This one, right? And this is one. This is the bigger one. So circle the bigger candy, and now we are going to color this small chocolate, small candy, right? So I hope you understood the concept. The size is big and small. So what you should do now? You also collect some big object and small object which are available at your home and play the game with your mama. Okay? Big and small objects. Okay? Collect the objects big and small and make these two columns and keep the big objects in big column, small objects in small column, and again solve the worksheets which I will give to you. Thank you.